it time to clean your oven range hood filters? Watch how baking soda and dishwashing liquid can transform them naturally. Today I will show you the simple, non-toxic way to clean your oven range hood filters with common household ingredients. Let's get started.
First, let's take a look at our dirty filters. As you can see, they are covered in grease and grime. Now, let's start by filling up our sink with hot water. To make it even more effective, add some boiling water from the kettle. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the hot water. Baking soda is a mild alkaline, which helps break down grease and grime to its high pH level. It also acts as a gentle abrasive that won't scratch surfaces. Baking soda is safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly because it breaks down naturally. Then, add a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. It contains surfactants that cut through grease and grime, helping to lift oils and dirt away from the filters. Eco dishwashing liquids are made with plant-based ingredients which are less harmful to the environment compared to conventional ones. They are biodegradable, meaning they break down naturally and don't harm the ecosystem. Place your filters into the hot water solution and let them soak for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the amount of grease and build-up. The hot water helps to loosen the grease, making it easier for the baking soda and dishwashing liquid to break it down.
Now let's talk about why this method works so well. Baking soda, being alkaline with its pH level around 9, helps to break down grease and grime by neutralizing acids and dissolving proteins and fats. The dishwashing liquid contains surfactants that emulsify the grease, allowing it to be easily rinsed away. Hot water is important because it helps to loosen the grease, making it easier to clean. A quick warning: do not use white vinegar for cleaning these filters. White vinegar is acidic and can react with the metal in the filters, causing discoloration or damage. Check the metal of your filters are made of.
After soaking, use a soft bristled brush to gently scrub the filters. This will help remove any remaining grease and grime. Rinse the filters thoroughly under warm running water to remove all the soap and baking soda. Shake off any excess water. Place the filters on a towel and let them air dry completely before reinstalling them. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical hazards. Once the filters are completely dry, reinstall them back into the range hood. Make sure they're securely in place. Let's compare the before and after.
Cleaning your range hood filters is a quick and easy process. It will only take a few minutes of your time, excluding soaking and drying time. For best results, clean your filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on how often you cook. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural cleaning tips. See you next time.